Hi, this is Chris Carter with Keller Williams Platinum Partners, and I'd like to introduce you to your new home at 320 Northeast Parks Edge Place in popular Oaks Ridge Meadows subdivision. This house is absolutely going to blow your mind. The sellers have put in over $175,000 in recent upgrades. Let's go take a look.